Hello everybody, this is Montgomery and I'm going to show you how to preload your door closer arm. It is very simple. Right now my door closer arm is a little bit too out of preload. So when I open the door and let it close, it stops right there, and then that's the wind pushing it shut. Watch, we could try to get a better view of it from the outside. Well, the wind's blowing right now, so it's kind of hard to demonstrate. The wind dies down. I can't be better than the wind dies down. See? There we go. It stops right there, and if I pull it, it closes. Now we're going to get to the real exciting part. We are going to preload the door. Tools we're going to need are a step ladder, which be cautious on these. You could be seriously injured, and we're going to be using the screwdriver. So first things first, you're going to want to unscrew this bolt, and after you unscrew it a few times with the screwdriver, you can get it right. Oh, this camera. Keep unscrewing. When it pops out, we're going to set the tools we've been using on the floor, and we're going to get back up here and take it off. Alright, now we take that out, push that to the side. Well, actually, no. We're gonna turn it in, thread it in. I'm not gonna thread it all the way to that rod. I'm just gonna thread it in a little bit. Leave a bit up here. And we'll see how much. Let's see if that's good enough. Well, I think that's good enough. So now, doing this one-handed. Okay. I can get the bowl. Screw will not go in. There we go. Now we just tighten it down. We'll take our screw and securely tighten the door. And to make sure our thing was a success, we're gonna take this because see how hard the door slides. See how the door shuts, and if it slams real hard, we are going to do that again. I'm thinking about adjusting one of the speeds. Now let's see what it does. It's perfect. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.